So you want to file your G45 by paper. We understand that preparing taxes can be intimidating, so we have created this informational video to help simplify the process. Just as a reminder, you can also file your returns and make payments using our e-filing services at hitax.hawaii.gov, where you can sign up to access and manage your tax accounts in addition to many other types of services that we provide. To start off, here are the most common do's and don'ts. Do's. Do use the correct form. Put your name and GE number. If you don't know your GE number, use our Search Tax License feature on our homepage. Use the correct filing period, and sign your return. Don'ts. Don't write zeros in all the boxes. Don't start from the furthest left box when inputting your gross income. Hint, that's the start for 100 million. Don't write and/or scribble all over the form. Don't use pencil. Please use blue or black ink only. Now let's get started. When filling out your general excise period return, you want to use the form G45, which also has the number 10 on the top right corner. Be aware of the revision date on the upper left side. If you are filing for a current year, 2020 to present, use the form with revision 2019. The period ending date will always be in a month and year format for the G45. If your filing period ends in December with a due date of January 20th, you will put 12/20. Fill out the entire 12-digit number for your GE. As mentioned previously, if you do not know your number or are still using your old W number, please use our Search Tax License feature on our homepage. Also input the last 4 digits of your Social Security number or Federal Employer Identification number and the name the license is under. In this example, we'll be reporting income received from wholesaling and services in Oahu. Part 1 are for the businesses that are taxable at the 0.5% rate. Keep in mind that your amounts are rounded to the nearest dollar. For example, if it's $100.49, it'll be $100. If it's $100.50, it'll be rounded to $101. There are already zeros for the cents, so please do not put any numbers in the zeros nor color it in. Column A will be the total gross income you received, which includes any taxes collected. Start from the correct number placeholder. Column B is for any exemptions or deductions that are applicable to your business. It does not include expenses. For a listing of exemptions or deductions, see the G45 instructions in our Hawaii Tax Forms page. If you are able to claim any exemptions or deductions, a Schedule GE needs to be attached. Column C is the sum total of column A minus column B. If column B is blank, column C will be the same amount as column A. Line 7 will be the sum total of lines 1 through 6. Part 2 are for businesses that are taxed at the 4% rate. Use the same process when completing lines 8 through 16 as was mentioned for Part 1. Line 17 will be the sum total of lines 8 through 16. Don't add line 7 to line 17. If you do not have any income generated for that period, just put the zeros as shown highlighted in green. Be sure to sign and date on the bottom of page 1. Part 3 is for insurance commissions only. Part 4 is for the county surcharge. The only county that does not currently have a county surcharge is Maui. The county surcharge is only on businesses that are taxed at the 4%. The amount from line 17 on page 1 goes into column A and C. Normally, you would not have any exemptions or deductions for the county surcharge. In Part 5, shade in the bubble for the district that you are doing business in. If it's multiple districts, bubble in multi. Form G75 should be attached. In Part 6, line 24, put the amount from line 7 under the taxable income, column C. Times that number by 0.005 and you will get your total tax. The total tax is not rounded, so you will need to put in the cents amount. Do the same for line 25 and 26 using their corresponding percentages, which are highlighted in green. Line 27 will be the amount from line 19, 21, and/or 22, column C times 0.005. Add lines 24 through 27 to get the total taxes due, which is reported in line 28. Lines 28, 30, 35, and 36 should all be the same number if filing on time. Any exemptions or deductions from your Schedule GE will be reported on line 37, and as was mentioned, the form Schedule GE must be attached. Once you are finished with your return, don't forget to attach your payment. You may mail it in or drop it off in the drop box at any of our district locations. We hope this video has been a great help to you, and we are always ready to provide you with additional assistance if need be. Thank you, and please stay safe and healthy.